How to generate AI images in Canva. To begin, open up your Canva app. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to check out our previous video on how to download and install Canva. The link can be found in the description below. Once you have Canva open, locate the Apps menu on the left side of the page. It's represented by a small icon with 4 squares. Click on it and then select Try Magic Media. Next, you'll see a Use a New Design button. Click that and choose your desired size for your page. For example, I will going to use YouTube thumbnail. This will launch the impressive image editor within Canva. Now on the left side of the page, you'll find various options. Look for the Image tab, as this is where you can access Canva's AI image generator. Here, you can try an example of keywords for AI images. Let's select one that catches your eye. In this case, let's go with moon rising over the mountains, synthwave colors. Click the Create Your Image button below and patiently wait for the process to complete. And there you have it. You can now use any of these generated images as your background or even download them. Now let's navigate back by clicking the Go Back button below. And this time, let's try creating something unique with our own keywords. In the AI image generator, you have the ability to experiment with different keywords or phrases. Simply input your desired keywords and watch as Canva's AI technology generates stunning images based on your input. For example, let's generate a volcanic eruption in snow. Enter your desired keywords and hit the Create Your Image button below. Again, let's wait for the AI to work its magic. And there you have it. As you can see, the Canvas AI image generator is impressively accurate when it comes to the images it generates based on the keywords you input. And the best part? It's completely free. Once the image generation process is complete, you'll have a selection of AI-generated images to choose from. Feel free to use them as backgrounds, visuals for social media posts, or any other creative project you have in mind.